Hey everyone, I'm Melissa from My Life's a Travel Movie, and here is how to pack for a trip to Saudi Arabia or really any Middle Eastern Muslim country. This is based off of my solo travels in Saudi Arabia last year, where I thought I had to wear certain things, and actually you don't have to wear certain things. This is what I learned from the women there. So for starters, you don't have to dress like this anymore. First of all, this would not be appropriate back then anyway. Second of all, new rules in Saudi Arabia say that women no longer have to wear the hijab or head covering. And in fact, you don't even have to wear an abaya, which this is not, this is from Bahrain. But the long dark cloaks are also not mandatory for any woman in Saudi Arabia, and especially not tourists. However, you do need to still dress modestly. This is probably not something I would wear walking around the streets, but let me show you what I would wear. Nicer, elegant DVF wrap dress, but it's a little booby. So for this, I would just put a scarf on and cover those bad girls up. Dresses or outfits like this that are one shoulder but long are technically okay, but if you want to be extra careful, just simply bring a scarf to cover either your shoulders or where it doesn't have covering, which also counts as a scarf, if I can tie that correctly. Consider a safe, appropriate outfit. Long sleeve, loose fitting, covers everything, goes down to the mid shin. Favorite maxi dress that's strapless, I would recommend still bringing it and using it if you want. Just make sure you either put the cover up over it like this or bring a nice long duster.